Hello, I am Dharam. The question is n is equals to 12 to the power 3 into 13 square into 14. Total number of factors of n is. Solution. The given composite number n can be expressed as 12 to the power 3 13 square into 14. This is what is given to us. We can further simplify this as a product of its prime factors. We can write n as 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1 into 13 square. Therefore, the total number of factors of n would be continuous product of 7 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is equals to 192. Therefore, the required answer is option number 2. Thank you.
Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, if x lies between 0 and 1 and y also lies between 0 and 1 and x plus y is equal to 1, then the minimum integer value of x plus 1 by x whole square plus 1 y plus 1 by y whole square is. Now, in the question it has been given that x plus y is equal to 1, taking arbitrary values of x and y such that they satisfy the condition that x lies between 0 and 1 and y also lies between 0 and 1, so that x is 0.25 and y is 0.75, and substituting the values we get 0.25 plus 1 by 0.25 whole square plus 0.75 plus 1 by 0.75 whole square, that will be 0.25 plus 4 whole square plus 0.75 plus 4 by 3 whole square, or 4.25 whole square plus 2.25 whole square, that will be equal to 5.0625 plus 18.0625, which comes out to be 23.125. Now, since this is not the minimum value, we take the next set of values such that x is equal to 0.5, that is equal to y. Substituting the values we get 0.5 plus 1 by 0.5 whole square plus 0.5 plus 1 by 0.5 whole square, that is 2.5 whole square into 2, that will be equal to 2 into 6.25 or 12.5. So the minimum integer value that we will get will be 13, that is option number 4. Now, this was just a shortcut method. We also need to know the conventional method, which uses the concept that arithmetic mean of second powers is greater than second power of arithmetic mean. Therefore, we get x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square whole upon 2 is greater than x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y whole upon 2 whole square, or x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square by 2 is greater than x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y whole square divided by 4. This implies x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square is greater than x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y whole square divided by 2, which can also be written as x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square is greater than x plus x inverse plus y inverse whole square by 2. Now, we know that x plus y is equal to 1. Substituting the value, we get x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square is greater than 1 plus x inverse plus y inverse whole square by 2. Again, we know that x inverse plus y inverse by 2 is greater than x plus y by 2 whole inverse, which implies x inverse plus y inverse is greater than 4 into x plus y, or 4, because x plus y is equal to 1. Adding 1 on both the sides, we get 1 plus x inverse plus y inverse is greater than 4 plus 1, that is 5. Substituting this value back in the main equation, we get x plus 1 by x whole square plus y plus 1 by y whole square is greater than 5 square by 2, that is 25 by 2, that is equal to 12.5. So, the minimum integer value that we will get will be 13. And so, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you.
करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if 17 is added to the product of two consecutive whole numbers, then we always get, when two consecutive numbers are taken, one of them will always be even, and therefore the product of the two numbers will always be even. When 17, that is an odd number, is added to it, we will get an odd number, and therefore when 17 is added to the product of two consecutive whole numbers, we always get an odd number. So the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, find the sum of all the factors of 150. We know that if n is equal to x to the power a into y to the power b into z to the power c, then sum of all the factors of n is given by the formula x to the power a plus 1 minus 1 into y to the power b plus 1 minus 1 into z to the power of c plus 1 minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 into y minus 1 into z minus 1. In the question we have n as 150, which can be factorized as 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 square. Substituting the values of x and a in the formula, we get the sum of all the factors as 2 square minus 1 into 3 square minus 1 into 5 cube minus 1 whole upon 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 5 minus 1, that is 3 into 8 into 124 upon 1 into 2 into 4, which is 3 into 124, that is 372, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you.